Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can add a heading into your HTML onto your HTML file. So first you want to open HTML and you want to open the website you're busy building. So you just want to head over to the heading tag. Here you want to do H1, which basically is the first heading. And yeah, I'm just typing anything, you don't have to type this, I'm just showing you for the demonstration of this video. Here you can see I took it back because I want to add more than one. So depending on the size of the heading, H1 is the biggest heading. Here I'm adding H2, which is the second largest heading. And there you can see I just typed the same thing over and over and over. And here I'm just adding more space. So there I'm saying H3, which is the third largest heading. And there I'm typing H4, so I'm just basically showing you the different sizes of the heading. But you want to make sure you want to put the H1 between the first tag. So there we go. That's how you do the different headings.